I'm here with.
The Conqueror, who have taken over the channel.
There's a lot of knots in my hair, but the avocado oil definitely helps with that.
You have to turn your knots into yeses.
Porosity.
Ma'am, I said what I said.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Divine Mix. I'm here with
The Conqueror, who have taken over the channel.
𝘮𝑗𝘓, and we are here for part 2, hair. We're doing it a bit different, guys. It's going to be both of us speaking because 𝘮𝑗𝘓 has no idea what we're doing now.
Absolutely. A lie, 1,000 times. And where are we?
So what are we doing right now?
We are doing our hair.
What are we using?
We are using a brush,
Okay.
which we will use to comb out our curls. Thus, so we be able to apply product better and detangle.
I do want to say that I did oil out my hair already
Well, olive oil.
with avocado oil.
Ooh, seasoned.
So this helps to prevent, any frizz or like breaking of hair follicles
Or lack of flavor.
or lack of flavor.
Toasted. Okay, all right. And this is the part where, what's the part that you pull out the weave?
There's no weave.
Oh, right. Right, audience. We all know this. Take notes. I was all testing you.
So what we're going to do is we're going to brush out everything, make sure there's no knots in there because we really want our hair to be what?
Not knotted.
Voluminous.
Voluminous, yes. And lustrous. And
So
bouncy.
a lot of brushing right now.
Pantene Pro V wants to know your current location.
How often do you brush your hair, 𝘮𝑗𝘓?
Once a week. What? What?
Just once a week? What do you do with the rest of the week?
God go with you. By way of grace.
Okay, guys, we are almost there. There's a lot of knots in my hair, but the avocado oil definitely helps with that.
You have to turn your knots into yeses.
And I do
Take me nuts.
want to say, guys, don't just put avocado oil in your hair unless you have low porosity hair, which I do have. There's different porosities and different oils that work better.
Regardless of your hair's economic state, I don't think you need to put that out into the internet.
My economic hair
Yeah,
state?
he says porosity.
Porosity.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, guys, we're almost done brushing our hair. Almost there. So as you can see on one side, it's gotten voluminous, it's gotten fluffy, but it hasn't gotten too frizzy. Just really focusing on the volume.
Yo, this girl's fine.
No comment.
You have a number?
Oh my God.
I need to find out about the voluminous and porosity of hair.
Porosity.
Ma'am, I said what I said.
Do you know your hair porosity?
Yes.
What is it?
It's doing very well right now.
One of these days we'll just do your hair, 𝘮𝑗𝘓.
Oh, no. My hair has a 401k.
Never mind. So you see, this is like those big, poofy, fluffy hair. But if you look close, you'll see it still has shine. It still has luster. And it is just nice and well taken care of. Think Diana Ross back in her heyday.
I don't know. Where did this lady from the 60s just come from? She wasn't here before.
It's the same person.
Ah, the lies we tell. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, AI is getting crazy nowadays. You can't trust everything you believe.
This is a real person.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, so now we're going to go into our bag of goods. And we are actually just going to... What are we using?
A comb. A comb, yes, to part our hair in the center. Perfectly in the center.
Okay, that's good.
Now we're gonna wrap this around so we can put this into a bun
I
of
don't think we're
sorts.
going bun.
Okay, we're gonna go a braid. A braid.
No braid. This is for the holidays. We want to be light,
Okay, so
fluffy,
because
and
reindeer ponytail.
no, this is just gonna be.
Give me a hint.
I said light, fluffy. It's just gonna be
An
fluffy.
afro.
No. We're getting close, okay, guys? We're getting very, very close. 𝘰𝘰𝑧𝑦𝑒 is just...
My 14th reason.
Yeah. So what we're doing right now is just kind of making sure the part looks really, really nice, because after that, we're going to just add in one accessory to give this the ultimate Christmas look to it, ultimate holiday season look.
An accessory. Snitch.
Yeah, and what accessory do you think we're going to be using?
Oh no, I don't. I've never been accessory to any crime of any sort, and anyone that knows me knows I'm a decent, law-abiding
No,
citizen.
hair accessory.
I wasn't here or there. I saw nothing, sir.
And I'm sorry it's taking so long to brush out my hair. Usually after I part it, there's certain parts that just start to knot up and tangle.
And you can't forget to do it. Forget me not.
See, I'm already tired.
What a strong woman. Turning all her knots into yeses.
That's actually such a good phrase. Turn all your knots to yeses, guys.
Don't follow me, kids. It's grammatically incorrect, so it sounds cool.
Okay, so I'm just getting rid of the part that's in the back of my hair, so that way it looks nice and even throughout, and there's only one part, which is the center. Now we just picked up something. Do you know what it was?
A purple eye from a fight.
A bobby pin.
A bobby pin.
And
A lockpick. I know those.
And we're just putting it behind our ears.
Just in case we need it. Just in case we need it for later. We never know.
No, just so that way it's smooth in the front.
All right, super spy. No need.
Super spy.
Super spy.
And now we're grabbing what?
Quick lube for the cars that are chasing us in case we are being chased by other international super spies.
I'm just
Secret explosive gel.
It's curling gel. So this is our accessory.
I've seen
What
this.
is this? What is it?
I've seen this in that game Hitman. This is what you carry around when you have no more weaponry. This is your last resort. So you get back to your Asian roots.
I don't think that's how that works.
That's exactly how that works. That ribbon is a weapon. I say take down many a man.
Okay, so we're tying the bow on our head.
All right, Sailor Moon.
And we're just gonna... and we're just going to tie up our hair a little bit so that way it's easy to make sure the bow is in place properly.
And here is the bun I was speaking of. It all came into play. Now she's ready for war.
Do you think we should tie the bow on the top or the bottom?
Whatever you say, Master Assassin.
You know, I'm
now,
not
which
gonna...
diplomat and dignitary are you going to be taking out tonight?
Nobody.
Will you be serving him a cocktail of
No,
sorts?
see...
Will it be shaken, not stirred? Are you going to be doing a green tea ceremony? Which one is it? We can't tell.
Well, right now we're changing it from a bow on the top to the bow in the back.
Every time you put on the ribbon, you become a salsa eater.
Yeah?
Yes, you look like somebody who eats salsa and chips. When you take it off, you look like you serve green tea.
You know what? Salsa and chips are very good. Have you ever
I love them.
Yeah?
I love them. Of course.
Okay, see? So now we have the bow in the back. It looks so much better.
Mm-hmm.
And our hair is fluffy, and now we're just like a nice little holiday present and everything.
Like Puerto Rican.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, so this is it for our part 2 of our hair tutorial with 𝘰𝘰𝑧𝑦𝑒. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Bye.
Voluminous.